me, as I've already stated that I'm a beginner. I'm yet to start with my coaching in soft skill and image consulting. And I was looking like my batchmates are already posting a lot of stuff. So it was kind of giving anxiety to me that how am I going to approach to it. Okay. So this is actually the right beginning, which I'm going to follow. So for me, it's a great takeaway.
Thank you.
It was real eye-opener. So many nuances and deep intricacies which we were not aware till date. We have been doing work but not the way it should be done. So, lot of insights.
Hope you enjoyed and learned lots of things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Made the notes.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was literally too much insightful regarding the lead magnet. Regarding the comment was literally new for me. I was aware regarding the lead magnet, but it was again something, the new concept, the method which you showed is completely different. And like literally the comment one, I was very much confused. I raised the question in the beginning itself because I was not having clarity. Now I am clear. Like what should I focus on?
Thank you very much, Alok ji. What I like best about you and your sessions are that you are completely immersed in it, and you're so vulnerable, very honest, very genuine. There is no shosha, there is no hiding. मतलब जो दिखता है वो दिखता है. That concept, you're very, very open, which is very different from many other coaches whom I have attended. Now, this particular session on comments particularly, I was doing, मतलब मैं कुछ कर रहा था, but यहाँ पर that was a more deep dive as to 1, 2, 3 exactly क्या करना है and how. And you gave very practical examples with comments and participants ने comment जो comments डाले हैं उसके ऊपर review किया, उसका feedback दिया. So this was very well done. Live एकदम जैसे हॉट सीट पर है, ऐसे ना अमिताभ बच्चन का हॉट सीट ले, तो बड़ा मजा आया. So lot of insights, very well done. Thank you very much. Happy to be here.
Yeah. First of all, hats up to you, sir, for all the progressions you have done in your life. So from childhood, you have many credibilities. So hats off to you, sir. And also, the pre-sale system, I loved it. So that is the first thing, takeaway, and articulate. I mean, it should articulate with that situation or point. So that is a very great takeaway, sir.
Thank you so much. I hope
sir, you are so authentic. Yes, you are so authentic. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Keep
it was funny also. So fun, loving, and educating.
Yeah.
So it was absolutely marvelous. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a great learning because commenting तो मैं कर रहा हूँ, but the credible commenting part is something new today. Because we are learning everything on every day, so it's a new learning for me and I will apply it.
Thank you.
कि आप जब डिलीवर करते हो, आप ये नहीं देखते हो कि they are my paid client or I am doing a free session. आप पेड क्लाइंट में भी जो सिखाते हो वो आप डिलीवर करते हो, वो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगता है कि आप कुछ भी चीज छुपा के नहीं रखते हो.
किससे छुपाना, हम लोग सब एक ही तो हैं, क्या छुपाना. ठीक है, मैंने कुछ पहले शुरू किया, मेरा कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस है जो मुझे आज हेल्प कर रहा है, सो व्हाई नॉट टू हेल्प. So that's good. Thank you so much for your lovely feedback, Siddharth ji. I really appreciate that.
So as a commenting session was again eye opener because in comments, like there is in profile we can see how many comments we made in a day.
Yeah.
So every time I used to put a target 50-60 comments and I used to just go on commenting, but actually you just made realize that even if we make 10 comments it should be like meaningful.
Yeah.
Which is really thought breaking, and I was thinking that only like from tomorrow, like if I make at least 10 comments I'll make sure that it is very worthwhile and meaningful.
Yeah, chalo, thank you so much Adihan. Keep doing the good things.
It was very nice experience.
Good.
Though I've been commenting a lot.
Yeah.
Last 2-3 months I've been trying. But like comments intelligent होने चाहिए, meaningful होने चाहिए to get more engagement, to get more audience interested. So that was a nice point. There are a lot of good pointers you gave.
Yeah.
And I made my notes also. So I'm sure I'm going to implement all of them. जो भी आज सीखा. Thank you. It was nice.
Welcome. Thank you so much. You.
So this was a brilliant session, very eye-opening and empowering one, because so many things I'm getting to know for the first time and makes me feel more confident about myself. So you are giving so much of information, confidence to all of us in such a small but beautiful span of time.
And I've taken notes and probably I should start using them all and everywhere. Like hooks बड़े interesting लगे जो आपने prompt दिया. उसे जो I was using Gemini actually.
Okay.
तो जो रिजल्ट अभी आया है उसको हम अपनी पोस्ट में आपको टैग करके शेयर करना शुरू करेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कीजिए.
फिर आप अपने कमेंट दीजिएगा and we'll know where we stand.
Exactly. One more thing you can do is,
Yeah, actually, the way I message you, I was doing wrong thing for a ice breaking message,
Yeah.
and that's why my eyes were not broke. So I learned it today,
Yeah.
and I'm confident that I can definitely take ahead to my business.
Actually, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And it's very powerful, sir. And I didn't see anyone saying this much content. So it's very powerful, and we like to connect to you more, sir. And it was very encouraging.
Yeah, so the session was literally very much helpful. For me, since after marriage, my husband always wanted me to learn about sales. But as I had discussed with you as well, sales was very much fearing for me. I was very much nervous when it came to sales call, right? But after attending the session, the way how to build a rapport from a comment, then into their DM, then on a sales call. So I have understood it's literally easy, because you are literally not selling something, and it's not about getting overwhelmed. It's about helping the client to resolve the pain point. It's very much simple.
Exactly. So nice of you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Good that you understood that sales is not difficult.
Yeah, I'll be connecting with you. I have messaged you as well personally too.
Sure, Sifa.
Yeah, for me, LCM and ACRQ is the formula to follow for next, coming years, forever actually. So this is something that has gone deep into my mind, and I'm going to start practicing that.
Thank you so
This
much.
is a must for rapport building.
Good.
Thank you.
You enjoyed the session?
Definitely.
Good. Thank you so much.
Hi sir, good evening.
Good evening.
And as usual, your sessions are always superb and awesome. Today also that where I also made some mistakes in that, and I learned. So I always found like there is always a scope to learn. How much ever you think like that, yeah, I know that, you know that, like that, then also something. So you always come up with some kind of new idea, new things which actually really, what I can say, right? I'm not getting that exact word, but like how you said that progressive, how the message should be progressive. Then we are going to do the chatting. So how we should the chatting so that we can build the connection.
Right.
And now that is only it's important, because now this world, so much of scams, so much of distrust is happening. So trust building is very, very important for any kind of business. So with that messaging system, whatever you have said, like shared today, it will really help so many coaches like us to build a rapport and get the business ultimately. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Alokji. It was again day 2. It was again the most valuable. I think I learned a lot, especially about messaging. This is a part that I always stuck in what to do. I connect with people, but I don't know how to message or do something. But I think this gave a clarity on it. I'll try to follow this. Yeah, sure.
So, नमस्कार, happy evening to everybody.
नमस्कार.
मैंने पहले भी कहा था, फिर कह रहा हूँ, आगे कहता रहूँगा कि there are people who help you develop business, and there are people who help you develop yourself so that your business develops.
Right.
And Alok ji is the second.
Thank you so much.
Because I've learnt it, I think किसने कहा है, जिम रॉन या किसने कहा है, मैक्सवेल ने कहा, याद नहीं है, बट somebody has said that your business or your profession, your career can only grow as much as you grow.
Exactly.
तो आप जितना सक्षम बनोगे, आपका बिजनेस, आपका काम उससे मिलता जुलता ही रहेगा.
Correct.
आपका बिजनेस आपके आगे कभी नहीं जाएगा।
True.
तो आप ही आगे रहोगे, आप यू आर द वन हु इज ग्रोइंग इट, वर्किंग ऑन योर बिजनेस। तो आलोक जी के जो 3 दिन है, नो काफ़ी कुछ अटेंड किया है मैंने, लेकिन दूसरा दिन मैं वाज ट्रैवलिंग सो लेट हो गया तो मिस हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी आई गॉट द जिस्ट ऑफ इट। और स्टार्टिंग विथ नोइंग योरसेल्फ, आप कौन हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, जिसमें ना माइंडसेट। तो इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट डूइंग बिजनेस, इट इज़ हेल्पिंग पीपल टू इम्प्रूव देयर लाइफ, और उसके लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, हमें पहले कहाँ होना चाहिए। तो ये बातें बहुत अच्छी लगी। दूसरा फिर बात में, ओके फैन, आप खुद को तो समझ लिए, आप जब मार्केट में जाते हो, सोशल मीडिया में जाते हो, तो क्या करना चाहिए आपको, कैसे कनेक्शंस बनाना चाहिए। बिकॉज फेस टू फेस, 1 to 1 तो आप जानते क्या करना है, स्माइल करना है, हाथ हैंडशेक करना है, आई कॉन्टैक्ट करना है, लेकिन डिजिटली वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। डिजिटली आप कैसे कनेक्शन बनाओगे। तो आपका जो LCM फॉर्मूला है, एलेक्स फार्मोजी का आपने ARQ बताया था, जो आप थोड़ा सा चेंज किया, फिर आपने ELA जो बताया वगैरह, जो छोटे छोटे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जो याद रखने में मतलब बहुत आसानी होती है। और इन सबसे ऊपर और एक चीज़ जो है कि रियल लाइफ प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इट्स हियर एंड नाउ। ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने थियोरी सुना समझा और फिर बाद में भूल गया, कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाया, कुछ नहीं कर पाया। तो हियर एंड नाउ, अभी के अभी इम्प्लीमेंट किया। तो नॉट वेटिंग फॉर परफेक्शन, जैसा है वैसा आप अभी करिए, डोंट वेट फॉर परफेक्शन, स्टार्ट, टेक एक्शन। एंड जितने सहनशीलता से, पेशेंटली आपने कितने सारे लोगों का आपने एक्चुअली जो रिजल्ट्स आए वो देखा, आपने उन्हें बताया कि क्या सही हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ है, कैसे चेंज करना चाहिए। तो ये सभी चीज़ें जनरली जो बिजनेस कोचेस होते हैं वो नहीं करते, बिकॉज उनके लिए पैसा ही फोकस रहता है। अगर ये मुझे पैसा देगा तो मैं कुछ बोलूँगा। तो आपके साथ में वो नहीं रहा, विच इज़ अ जेन्युइन थिंग, ऑथेंटिसिटी। तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स इज हाईली अप्रिशिएटेड। एंड काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें इसमें मैं कुछ कर रहा था पहले, अलग अलग लोगों से सीखा है, लेकिन आपका एक अलग नज़रिया देखा, इनसाइट्स देखे, और इतना जो टाइम आपने स्पेंड किया हर एक के साथ में, whoever was willing। कुछ लोग थे जो मतलब कुछ बोले ही नहीं, कभी कैमरा पे आए भी नहीं, लेकिन लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव इंटरैक्टेड, दे हैव गेन्ड। तो जो खेल खेलता है वही जीतता है। तो हमने तो खेला, हमें तो बहुत मज़ा आया, और हमारे गुरु ने हमें बताया कि कैसे खेल खेलना चाहिए। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट।
वेलकम।
ऐसे तो जो मुझे बोलना था सब कुछ वो बोल चुके हैं, बट वन थिंग आई वांटेड टू से कि सो फार 2.5 years आई हैव बीन डूइंग लॉट ऑफ वॉलंटरी वर्क, लेकिन आई हैव बीन ट्रीटेड अ लॉट बाय पीपल whom I approached for learning all these things. So I used to think कि यार ये क्या है, either I am on the wrong side because I am doing everything voluntarily, or there I am not able to connect to the right person. So I can say with conviction that after a lot of hits and trials, maybe I have reached the right person and right destination. From here, I look forward to having lots of positive things falling in place. I learned जो भी सीखा आधा, मैसेज करना तो सीखा, कैसे करना सीखा नहीं। Intricacies nobody tells, even after payment. Nobody will tell the business tricks. I always fail to understand where is that business trick, because I am myself a life coach. I'm dealing, जो मेरा niche है उसमें ही I'm doing all the free work, but I never feel threatened and challenged. But whenever I approach, I paid, but ROI 0. So as I said on first day कि बहुत सारा mental blockade के साथ I am joining. So that has been removed. Yeah. So I feel really very happy that it was chance that I got that, I saw that opportunity and I entered into it and learned immensely. And being a science student, practical learning is the best thing to get the things imprinted. So I'm very thankful, and tomorrow I'm going to have a long discussion with you regarding everything.
Sure.
But whatever I have learned is immensely helpful.
Thank you so much. Really grateful for all your kind words.
Because of your, directed guidance is one thing, that positive intent, which makes the things palpable from the word go. So thank you very much, Alok ji.
Thank you so much, Gurvinder ji. Really loved your feedback, and I really appreciate. Let's talk tomorrow in detail.
Sure.
Keep doing the good things, and we'll meet. Thank you so much once again.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली मैंने भी 2-3 कोच के साथ काम किया है, बट कैसा है, जैसे अजीत जी ने बताया, मैं किसी का नाम खराब नहीं करूंगा, बट इतना है कि जो अप्रोच और जो अपनापन आपसे मिला है और जिस हिसाब से आप जेन्युइनली हेल्प किए, इवन दो आई एम नॉट योर पेड क्लाइंट, बट टाइम टू टाइम आपने मुझे फीडबैक दिए, आपने मुझे बताया कैसे करना है, कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, तो ये चीज कोई और कोच से नहीं मिलता है कभी। और दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ यू के जो आप अपना समझ के जो बताते हो ना, वो चीज कोई नहीं करता। आज के दिन में इस मार्केट में जहाँ पे पैसा सब कुछ है, वहाँ पे दूसरा आलोक जी नहीं मिला है अभी तक। तो इसलिए मैं हमेशा, ठीक है, आई नो कि मेरा प्रॉब्लम है, सब कुछ है, कि मैं चाहते हुए भी अभी शायद आपका पेड सर्विस नहीं ले सकता हूँ, इसलिए मैं हमेशा आपका कोशिश करता हूँ कि आपका जो सेशन रहेगा, जो बूट कैंप रहेगा, उसमें मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ, इसलिए कि क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ क्लैरिटी ऐसा मिलता है जो मेरा बिजनेस पे काम आता है अच्छी तरह। एंड रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सिद्धार्थ जी, थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके फीडबैक। आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट माय एफर्ट्स आर pouring in results.
yes really happy। एंड ये जो 3 दिन जो सीखा, ये अगर ठीक से इम्प्लीमेंट किए तो नाउ आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट कि श्योरली आई विल गेट गुड क्लाइंट।
Sure.
Your session. Generally, I don't miss out your session, but first day, I was just occupied with something, so I just missed it out. And but one thing, sir, like first thing is you are very down to earth, so it is very easy to build a connection, heart to heart connection with you. That is the thing. And second thing, whenever you come with any kind of this kind of boot camp, like 3 days or 2 days, you do hell lot of research and you take the market trend things, what is going on, what is actually the pain point of the people, what they are facing through it. So that is also very, very challenging thing which you are in actually coming up with this. And that is the reason this kind of boot camps or this kind of 3 days challenge, it is always so successful, because we will come to know maybe some people they may join your program, some people they may not join your program, but 100% they are getting that benefit. That is very important. So these 2 things, so always my gratitude to you. Yes, because I know when I have joined, 1 or 2 posts I have done, and immediately you came back to me saying that you are doing wrong. So I was just, because as long as no one has commented, no one has said where I am wrong, what I'm doing wrong, so I was into that impression, everything is going fine. But so that mental block was there. How come, like my coach is telling me, but then when I accepted, when I realized, yes, this is actually your nature, where you see that, what from the beginning, what are the mistakes we are doing, how we have to overcome this, and how we can, that direction is very, very important. So thank you so much. So for everything. So I hope that we can meet. There are so many people, we meet them on our group coaching. So
Sure.
I just want to wish all the best to everyone for their one-to-one call, and we'll see you definitely in the group coaching. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mithu. Thanks for your nice feedback.
Yeah, sir. Always your upgraded version. I think you're far more, ahead of everyone.
Thank you so much.
I'm very grateful to you, sir. We here, everyone is grateful to you.
Thank you so much. Let's make our business better. That's the main objective. And yes, going ahead, there are a lot of things. अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है, बहुत सारी चीजें करनी हैं. So overall, how did you feel about it? The 3 days.
It was power packed. It was power packed session, sir.
Thank you
So a lot of takeaways and everything.
Okay.
Under your guidance. Go on, get. You are encouraging in such a manner.
Yeah. चलो good. So I'll request all of you to kindly वो link जो मैंने डाला है Facebook पे ना, Facebook पे please do comment your takeaways. That will help me even reach to know more new people, and that would be an added advantage for me as well. right?
I did as well, sir. I did it.
And आपने
Thank you
जैसे
so
पोस्ट
much.
किया था immediately I did.
Thank you.
It was a complete mindset change because I have no experience of business. I have experience of teaching, a lot of experience of teaching, but business is new to me. So for me, it's a complete mindset change.
Good. Thank you so much. And how was your experience? Mindset change is one. The overall activities which we did and all those efforts.
Live practice is the best thing. It's just not theoretical. जो किया है वो समझो, वो करो, देखो. So ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.